Dear students, today we are going to discuss about calculation of arithmetic mean for discrete series through Sugan economics. Students, in the previous class we have discussed about the calculation of arithmetic mean for individual series with the help of direct method and shortcut method. So today we are going to discuss about calculation of arithmetic mean for discrete series. So here first we can understand about what do you mean by discrete series. So here discrete series means the x values are in discrete number and it has a corresponding frequency also. Are you clear? Okay. So now here the calculation of arithmetic mean for discrete series, here also we are applying two methods. One is direct method and another one is shortcut method. First I will explain how to calculate arithmetic mean for discrete series under direct method, then I will explain under shortcut method. So first we understand about what are the steps involved in the calculation of arithmetic mean with the help of direct method. So here first what we have to do means, so here under discrete series we will have x values and the corresponding frequencies. So here first what we have to do means, first you can multiply the x values with the corresponding frequencies and you find out fx value. Are you clear? So for each and every x value we are having a corresponding frequency. So you can multiply the x value with the frequency value and you find out fx value. Then after that you can add all the fx value, you find out sigma fx. Then you have to find out the n value. Here n is nothing but the total of frequencies. So in the frequency column, what is the total you are having? The total is equal to n. Then after that you can apply the formula. So here the formula is x bar equal to sigma fx by n. So now I will explain the calculation with the help of a sum. Here you take income and number of families. So here you take income in rupees, thousands. It should be taken as x. And number of families, it should be taken as f. So here in the income you take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and here under number of families you take 2, 7, 12, 8, 6, right? So here income in rupees in 1000. So 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and number of families 2, 7, 12, 8, 6. So now first you have to find out n. N is nothing but the total of frequencies. So n equal to 16, 23, 25, 2, 1, 35, 9, 11, 19, 25, 35. Okay. So now what you have to do means you have to find out fx. So fx is nothing but the frequency should be multiplied with the corresponding x value. So 4 into 2, 8. 5 into 7, 35. 6 into 12, 72. And 7 into 8, 56. And 8 into 6, 48. Right? Now we can take the total for 8, for 13, 15, 21, 29, you put 9 here, remaining 2, 6, 11, 18, 21. So 219. So the sigma fx equal to 219 and n equal to 35. So now we have to substitute the values in the formula. So already we have given the formula, so x bar equal to sigma fx by n. So now you substitute the value, sigma fx equal to 219 and n equal to 35. So now what we have to do means we have to divide 219 by 35. So here 219, it should be divided by 35. So 6, so 210, the remaining 9, you put dot, that is you put point, now you put 1 0, so 2, here 70, the remaining you are having 20, again you can add 1 0, so here it's equal to 5, that is 5 5 25 to 17, so on so on. Okay, so here suppose you are having here 25 again, so it is, I think the third decimal value is greater than 5, so you make it as 6. So here the x bar value is equal to 6.26. So it means the average income of the 35 families is equal to rupees 6,260. Are you clear? Now I will explain how to calculate arithmetic mean for discrete series with the help of shortcut method. So first we understand the steps involved in the calculation of shortcut method. So in the shortcut method, first what we have to do means we have to assume any one of the values assumed mean and it should be denoted as A. Then we have to calculate the deviation value D. So D is nothing but x minus A. We have to calculate the deviation. So the D value, D is equal to x minus A. Then after that what we have to do means we have to multiply the deviation value with the frequencies and we find out FD value. Are you clear? So you have to multiply the deviation value with the corresponding frequencies and you find out FD value. Then after finding out FD value, you have to take the total of FD value, it should be equal to sigma FD. Then you find out the total of, you can take the total of frequencies, that is equal to n. Then you apply the formula x bar equal to A plus sigma FD by n. Are you clear? Okay. Now I will take the same example and explain how we can calculate arithmetic mean for shortcut method. So here you take first column, you take x value, and the second column you take frequencies, and the third column you take D value, and the fourth column this is FD value. So here x here income in rupees in 1000. So here number of families, and this D value, D is nothing but x minus A, so x minus. Okay, now you can enter the values, x values. The x values are 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, and you can write the frequency values. The frequencies are equal to 2, 7, 12, 8, 6. So now you take the total of frequency, it is equal to n. So n equal to 35. Okay. So from the x value or any one of the value you take as assumed mean. Now from the x we take number 6 as our assumed mean. So A equal to 6. So here x minus 6. So what is the first x value? 4. 4 minus 6, that is equal to minus 2, right? Then 5 minus 6 equal to, 5 minus 6 equal to minus 1, 6 minus 6 equal to 0, and 7 minus 6 equal to 1, and 8 minus 6 equal to 2. So now here you take the deviation total. The deviation total is equal to 0. The deviation total is equal to 0 because the arithmetic mean is 6. Now what you have to do means you have to multiply the deviation value with the corresponding frequencies. So here you can remember what's the sign we are having. So you can carefully multiply the values. So here the 2 is the frequency, the 2 is in positive, and d value it is in negative. So positive into negative, that is equal to negative. You put minus sign, 2 into 2, 4. So here minus sign you put 1 into 7, 7, 12 into any value multiplied with 0, that is equal to 0. Then 1 into 8, 8, 2 into 6, 12. So now we have to find out the FD value. So here we are having positive values and negative values. So first you can add the positive values separately, then you add the negative values separately. The positive value total is equal to 20 and the negative value total is equal to 11. So now you take the difference between these two things. So this is equal to 9, that is sigma f d equal to 9. Sigma f d equal to 9. Okay, right. So now we have find out all the values. So here sigma f d equal to 9, n equal to 35, and our a equal to 6. So now we have to apply the values in the formula. So here what is the formula is given? X bar equal to a plus sigma f d by n. So now you substitute the values. What is a? A equal to 6. So 6 plus what is sigma f d? Sigma f d equal to 9. Then what is n? N equal to 35. Right? You have substituted the values. Now we have to find out the arithmetic mean value. So here 9 should be divided by 35. 9 should be divided by 35. So 9 is a lesser number compared to 35. So you put 0 point. So here you add 1 0. So now it is 90. So 0.2. Here 70. You can take the difference 20. You can add. So here 5. 175. So now you take the difference the 25. See, put 0 here. So 250. So now it's equal to, okay, so here the value is equal to, that is 6, you put 6 here, 6 plus 0.257. So x bar is that is equal to 6.257, or you write the x bar value is equal to 6.26. So minimum here, we have to calculate 2 decimal values. So here the arithmetic mean value is equal to 6.26. So the average income of 35 families is equal to 6,260. Are you clear? Okay, dear students, kindly go through the video clearly and understand the steps involved in the calculation of arithmetic mean for both direct method as well as shortcut method, and also you can understand how I have calculated the value and other things. Okay, study well and prepare well. So far those who are not subscribing Spoken Economics, kindly subscribe and click the bell button, then only you can get intimation about the uploading of video by us. Thank you friends.